Guys, anyways, but let's go ahead and get it going here. Get it from Import Image Racing. I think believe like 35 his the first map. So I have to disconnect the battery again, and then in case you guys are wondering, this elbow connects to the two to the flex fuel kit, the flex fuel kit with the flex fuel tuner. Push it to E60. So that being said, he's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and work on the spark plug. A lot easier to work on than my when I used to have an 05 STI. It was a lot. It's a head of me taking it apart and showing you guys what the old one looks like versus the new one. Alright guys, you can see the difference. The easiest one to work on by the ECU here, guys. I will show you guys the finished product when I'm done. Like I said, I'm glad I'm switching out these. That's